Now we're going to talk about making your writing flow. And the first thing I want to discuss is how to build flow between sentences and paragraphs. This is the primary place that you lose flow, and it can feel repetitive if you don't know what to do. So a couple practical tips before we actually get into an example. One of the first things you should try doing is to start your sentences with connection words like and but. Those two words are really helpful for connecting one sentence to another. You don't have to do it all the time, but it is helpful when you can do it. Second is indicate when something new is coming and show the relationship between ideas. As you move from paragraph to paragraph and sentence to sentence, you're going to relate one idea to another. And whatever you're writing about, that's universally true. What you need to be sure to do is to indicate that something new is coming and show how it's related. So here's an example. Using coordinating conjunctions like and but is so helpful in a case like this. Anne finished at the top of her class with honors and now attends Harvard. She isn't sure what she is going to choose as her major. Those two are very connected, but they're not really that connected as far as how it sounds. It doesn't have a lot of flow to it. So a simple fix would be to add the word but. But shows a connection to the previous sentence. And if you've built this out into a big paragraph, it really helps to make it flow like this. So now it says, Anne finished at the top of her class with honors and now attends Harvard. But she's not sure what she's going to choose as her major. It's such a small change, but it makes a big difference in how it sounds and how your brain processes that information.